If you are a fan of Dyson, you already know the drill and the amazing performance of the Dyson. If you don't have a Dyson yet, stay tuned because you're gonna learn all about the Motorhead. And this is the Motorhead V8. So this is an upgrade. If you have the old one, the V6, this is actually 150% more powerful. On top of that, it's 100% cordless, so you get longer cordless time with this. You get everything included, by the way. So you get this beautiful Dyson, you get the combination tool, the crevice tool, the docking station, the power cord, the whole shebang. I think we have it in just the blue color, by the way. Or, I'm sorry, just the black color. So the black must have a little blue on it. Is that right? Is this the black one? Just the top.
Yeah.
Is this blue or, so this is it? This is what we have left? I hope I'm showing you what you're gonna be receiving. This is the black? Got it. So this is it. So this is what we're gonna be sending you, and you can get it home after your first flex payment of $54.75. So not only do we have an amazing price on this, down to $328.49, down from $399.99. On top of that, we have it on 6 flex pays, which doesn't happen every day. So it's $54.75, and we'll have it to you in plenty of time for cleaning up the pine needles and the tinsel and the glitter and all the stuff that becomes a pain in the neck when we're trying to clean up around the holiday time. Come on over. I want you to meet Jenna Watson because she is our Dyson expert. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to have Gemma back with us.
Hello, I'm here.
So people, last time we worked together, Gemma, we had the nicest phone calls. People call, they love this thing. So if you own it, please call us 1-866-376-8255. I think Dyson is one of those brands that once you learn about it, once you become an owner of a Dyson, people are very loyal to this brand because it really does deliver.
Because you become addicted because it really works. James Dyson, he wants you to use things that work properly, and that's what he does. He designs things to work properly. And I start here because the rumor is if you have a handheld, that it is not as powerful as your standard upright. And this proves it false. In this cylinder, we have 100 pounds of weight, and when it's only in this handheld compartment, it's only around 3 pounds.
Wow.
So it's over 30 times its own weight.
Wow.
And look at that.
And it's not plugged in.
Nope.
Understand, this is cordless.
Yes.
So if you think, because a lot of times you think of cordless, think of the little dust busters and things we've had in the past that are, there's no power. This thing is powerful. It is the Motorhead, it's the V8, so it's the upgrade for a lot of you if you're looking for something that works on every single type of floor surface, from linoleum to hardwood floors to every type of carpet, you name it. But the beauty of it is really the design. It is a brilliant design. I love how you can instantly turn it into that lightweight handheld that Gemma was just showing us, the power of that lightweight. And look at how it just gets everywhere, right? I mean, this is going to be able to really help you get to all the hard to reach places. You never even have to touch the dirt when you go to empty it because it's so beautifully designed. It really makes the job of vacuuming a treat.
It really does.
Right?
And the thing is it's lightweight. So even in the stick vacuum form, it's less than 6 pounds. So it's super easy, and you can unclip the motor head, and James Dyson, once again with his team of innovators, put the weight in the handle so you can take it from floor to ceiling, and you're not struggling trying to lift it up. So you get that floor to ceiling cleaning in an easy movement, and you get everything you need to clean your entire house. And what I'm clipping back on here, red means action.
Okay.
Super simple. Anything red means action.
Boom.
You're getting a motor head. So not only do you have the motor in your handheld, you have the motor here. So you're getting the power of 2 motors. And then we can go to town. Make sure that's on. We have pet hair. It is so quiet.
It's whisper quiet. You would almost not even know that it's actually on. I mean, it's incredible, but look at the power. If you have pets, this is an absolute godsend. If you have pet hair that is hard to pick up, hard to clean up, hard to vacuum up. And remember, we're showing it on carpet, but if you have porcelain tile, you know how hard that is to try to vacuum or try to sweep. I mean, whatever surfaces you have, my whole house pretty much is 90% hardwood floors, and they're extremely difficult to clean. I mean, they really are. And this will vacuum and clean up and sweep your hardwood floors for you in such a beautiful way. So you can do anything and everything with this. It's, again, the Dyson V8 Motorhead. And if you own it, 1-866-376 716-8255 is the number to call to share your experience. Last time I worked with Gemma, we had the absolute nicest call. People are really dedicated to this brand because it's a brand that does deliver quality. They have so many patents. They do things so in really a smart way. They continue to upgrade and really improve on what they do. This one has the HEPA filtration built into it, so not only are you getting cleaner floors, you're getting cleaner air in your room when you vacuum with your Dyson Motorhead V8.
And the HEPA filtration is a wonderful thing. It means that all that yucky stuff that you vacuum up, like I've got chalk dust here, this is representing, you know, pet dander that you maybe not be able to see with the naked eye. It just means the skin cells, the pollen, the dust, all the yucky stuff, once you've vacuumed it up, it stays in your machine. It's not coming out of the back. And so you're not creating extra dust. And we're asthma and allergy certified by the Foundation of America, and we can't certify ourselves. But the other wonderful thing is, with James Dyson, is that he is not a got you brand. Once you've bought the Dyson V8, your filters that come with it, there's one in the front. You rinse it out once a month under cold water, let it dry overnight, and you pop it back, and there's one on the back as well. You don't need to replace the filters, there's no bags to replace. It's everything included.
So great. So isn't that nice? There's nothing to buy down the road. You're not buying belts, you're not buying filters, none of that. This is all inclusive. All you do is rinse that HEPA filter clean, and it's so, look at how this is not throwing coffee grounds all over the floor. And
I know the camera gets it. It's almost like the coffee grounds jump into the Motorhead.
Look at that.
It's, again, it's designed to use on multiple flooring, carpet, hardwood, tile, and you don't need to change the head, you just need to walk to the area you need to clean.
Right. Don't you love that? So she's not changing that out. It knows, it intuitively knows how to go adjust from surface to surface. It's brilliant. Yours is waiting here for you. Perfect time of year. By the way, this would make a great gift. Now, I always say to husbands out there, don't buy her a vacuum cleaner. Just buy it and share it with her, or buy it and tell her you're gonna use it and you're gonna help her do the vacuuming. But this is really a self-purchase, or if you're buying it for your daughter and her husband, or your son and his wife, what a wonderful family gift. So it's a great gift as long as husbands are not buying their wives a vacuum cleaner. I always bring that up because, you know, it just probably isn't a good idea. You don't want to buy her something that means that she has to get to work. But this makes the job easier, so that is for sure. So just buy it and give it to her because you love her and because you know it's going to make the job easier for whoever uses it, right? And she'll get to do this challenge, or you'll get to do this challenge. My husband uses it as well. There you go. I brought out something that's a little prehistoric. It's not even a competitor's brand. It's our own machine. It's just older technology. And everybody believes that the power is in this cord, okay? And so what I'm gonna do is, I call it the Dyson difference, but I'm just competing with another Dyson. I'm going to vacuum this rug, which is the sneaky carpet, the one that hides all the dirt. It doesn't look too bad, but it's, you know, the shag carpet really can conceal it. And then I'm going to vacuum the same lines with the Dyson V8. This is a bit louder. Right. And more cumbersome. Much more cumbersome. I mean, that takes up a closet. This takes up no space because it comes with the wall hanger. You can hang it right on the wall. It's one screw. Now, you don't have to hang it on the wall, but the fact of the matter is it comes with its own little hanger, and then, of course, all your attachments have their own little caddy there as well, so it really is convenient because it doesn't take up space at all to store compared to that big clunky thing. Okay, so you just vacuumed with the old Dyson. I did, and I have lines, so it should be clean. Right? Lines means that it's clean. But I can make lines with my foot. It's an empty bin. I'm not cheating. I just want to show that. And now I'm going to go and vacuum with my quiet Dyson V8. It's actually 50% acoustically quieter than the Dyson V6. It's again, all the innovators and the engineers that work alongside James Dyson are constantly coming up with ways to improve our technology. Right. So we're improving the technology, but also being pleasant on the ears as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, you can tell, can't you? It's so quiet. Usually these vacuum cleaner demos are really hard to talk during a demo. Here we can just talk we're not yelling at you because we can talk in a normal voice. And the key is you just vacuum that carpet with a corded vacuum, which you say the people assume that a cord means more power. Well, you're gonna prove that wrong. Red means action. And this is another improvement from the Dyson V6, is the dirt ejector bin, and it's hygienic because you just release it and it's Wait a minute, that was all in there? It was after I vacuumed with the corded vacuum. So you've got the pet hair, the pet dander. Oh my gosh. Yucky, yucky stuff, right? The HEPA filtration keeps it trapped
in this machine. And this shows you what it means to have HEPA filtration, my apologies. At the top you can see that the fog goes in and escapes right out the back when it doesn't have HEPA filtration, but the one on the bottom does. So when the fog goes in, it stays trapped in there. It collects up to 0.3 microns.
Wow.
Which is itty bitty.
I probably watched you do that demo before, but I don't ever remember that much stuff coming out of a carpet.
And
you guys, that was a vacuumed carpet. I have to go back and just look at that one more time. Look at all the guck that this is, I mean, deep down. That was deep down in that carpet. Look at all that pet hair. Look at all that stuff. That's what wrecks our carpets. That's what when you think about that, that's breaking down the fibers of your carpet. That pet hair gets matted down into the carpet, and that other vacuum cleaner didn't even stand a chance. Really, it didn't.
No,
like you said, any vacuum cleaner should be picking up what's on the surface. Right. Let's be honest, right? That's not the trick. The trick is getting deep down and getting all that unseen pet hair. We didn't even know that was in there.
Nope.
Right? And all that other sand and dirt and all the other stuff that's deep down. That's the whole bottom line. Okay.
So this is the black acrylic flooring that I know people don't have, but it allows me to show you how much it can dust and polish in one. You're not having to get the dry mop out and the dustpan and brush. You can just do it in one. And James Dyson, again, noticed that you clean records with black carbon fiber bristles. So he thought, well, if it's delicate enough for records, then it's delicate enough for your hardwood flooring. I'm even getting off that film, and then all I do is move to the carpet, and I can go to town with this because it has red nylon bristles to get deep down into the carpet, and then the two-tier cyclone technology sucks it all up, and the HEPA filtration keeps it trapped.
You aren't even adjusting from different heights of carpet, different types of flooring. That's amazing.
It's super simple. Amazing? It really is. It changes the way you clean because this is less than 6 pounds. So if I notice something dirty, I just go grab it quickly, clean up, and put it back. I'm not having to deal with a cord. Yes. Nothing cumbersome. It's just super, super simple.
And I do love the fact that you don't have to find a spot. You know, a vacuum cleaner takes up half a closet, right? Half the hall closet, you gotta find room for it. This is nothing. This, you put this in your laundry room, you put it on the inside of a closet, you put it wherever you want. It's out of the way, and yet it's all there. The attachments, everything's there when you need it. Now, that is what, one screw, right? It's not a big deal to screw this onto your wall.
I did it myself.
It's a couple screws.
It's two screws. I didn't even use my husband. I did it myself. But if you don't want to put holes in your wall, you can go ahead and just plug it in like a cell phone.
Right.
Super simple.
Yes.
But this stores everything on it, and it's everything you need to clean your house.
There it is. You get the attachments all included. It's the V8, so it's the upgrade. You said it's 150% more powerful than the V6.
Yes.
So if you're saying, well, I have a V6, I love it, but it's getting old and I'm thinking about getting a new one, this is a whole new day.
Yes.
You guys are gonna be absolutely blown away when you see the difference. When we do a V8, V6 comparison, it really is a huge difference.
There's so many differences. This is because we're a team of innovators. So 150% more powerful than the V6. It's an increased bin capacity so you can clean for longer. It's an added dirt ejector bin. So that means that you're not having to put your hand in to clean. It's hygienic. The battery level indicator, which I'll show you, is like a gas gauge for your battery, and it's fade-free power. So even though the lights go down, it just means it's closer to time to plug it in, but it doesn't mean that the power is fading. And the quick release buttons, anything red means action.
There it is, simple as that.
Yeah.
They could not make it easier. And the fact that you can instantly, all the floors you watched her do, look at how she's now able to do her stairs.
The stairs with no cord.
Those, you know, your upholstery, those hard to reach little quick spills, those little quick areas. That is, I mean, this is like several vacuums in one, frankly. And the fact that it's all cordless, holy moly, look at how it's just pulling all that stuff.
It's just so simple.
I love how you're not even having to touch it.
No.
It just like it ejects the dirt.
It really does.
Pop it over, just throws it out.
It's that dirt ejector bin, so it kind of squeeges itself, and then you just pop it back, and you're good to go.
That's brilliant, that ejector bin. See, that's what we love about Dyson, is that they really have continued to innovate and create a better machine over the years. And years ago, nobody could have dreamed that a cordless vacuum cleaner could be more powerful than a corded vacuum cleaner, right? I mean, you just never thought that was even possible. Not to mention you get longer battery life with this one, right?
Right, you're getting up to 40 minutes of cleaning time.
Yeah, that's a lot.
It's a lot.
I mean, I don't know who's vacuuming for 40 minutes.
I don't want to.
I don't. Right?
And this is showing you the crevices. So you could use your crevice tool if you want to, but this is like edge-to-edge cleaning. So you're not wasting any space with extra plastic. You're getting not only the Motorhead, but edge-to-edge cleaning, and then this will show you how it works.
Look at that. Gets right down in there. Look at that.
Super easy.
Yes. Oh, I love it.
Super simple. And then you can use your crevice tool. You can take it out to your car. You don't need to worry if you don't have a garage, or if you do have a garage that doesn't have a plug socket.
Right.
Super
Look at
simple.
that. Your car mats, where you have, you know, your pine needles and all the other stuff, the salt and all the other stuff that gets on our floor mats in our car.
It just
like you said,
in.
Nobody's dragging their vacuum cleaner out to their car.
Right.
That's not a, you know, that's not an easy task.
That's not a thing.